Okay, we got a nice little word problem here. A water main has been scheduled to be upsized from 8-inch diameter PVC 900 to 12-inch diameter PVC 900. So we're increasing the size of the pipe, right? And PVC is plastic pipe. It's rigid. It has some flex to it. And C900 is the type of rating of the pipe. So, and it's very common that we use in our utility. C900 is used in every main that we have, force mains, things like that. So we're upsizing from 8-inch diameter to 12-inch diameter. Doesn't matter that it's C900, doesn't matter that it's PVC. What matters is we've got 8-inch diameter and 12-inch diameter. That's what we're upsizing to. The section of main is 330 feet in length. PVC C900 pipe is available in 20-foot lengths. We call these sticks. A stick of pipe is 20 feet in length, generally. So, and that could be PVC pipe, it could be ductile, could be other things too. Different pipes can come in different lengths, but typically, especially with PVC, you're getting 20-foot lengths or sticks. So how many sticks of pipe are required for the project? So we need to know 20-foot sticks. How many 20-foot sticks do we need? Now we know the length of the main is 330 feet. Over 1. I put it in parentheses, it's not wrong to do that, just so you know. Now, 330 feet over 1, that's how we write the length. So how many sticks of pipe are required for the project? Well, we know that they come in 20-foot sticks, right? So how can we write that? So one stick is 20 feet over 1. So I've got 330 feet over 1, and I have 20 feet over 1. If I multiply them together, I'm going to get foot plus foot equals square foot. But my unit of measure is in 20-foot sticks. So in this case, I want to cancel out the feet, right? Because I'm looking for a 20-foot stick. Stick being the key word here. I'm looking for a 20-foot stick. So let's go ahead and divide. A stick is 20. Whoops, I wrote that wrong. And I wrote this wrong. It's actually supposed to be written like this. 20 feet over 1. So over here, I'm going to write it correctly. 20 feet over 1. So you see how now I can cross cancel. I have foot here, which is above the division line. I have foot here, which is above the division line. And because I have a division line between the two, I can cross cancel out feet, right? And I'm left with 1, or 1 20-foot stick. So my answer, which is right here, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a stick. And my answer is going to be, you want to follow along with me?
Yeah.
330 divided by 20.
16.5.
So I need 16.5 sticks. So the question asks, how many sticks of pipe are required for the project? The correct answer is 16.5 sticks. But what if the question is, how many sticks of this pipe do you need to buy for this project? Well, we know that these are available in 20-foot sticks. So I can't go out and buy half a foot, right? I can't go out and buy 16.5 sticks. So George, how many sticks am I gonna need to buy to do this project?
16.5. Got me all messed up now.
That's okay, it's all right, it can be really confusing.
Okay.
If I need 16.5 sticks exactly, but they only come in 20-foot lengths,
So
I'm gonna have to buy 17 sticks, and I'm gonna be left with half a stick, 10 feet, right?
Yeah.
So I need 17 sticks. So my point here is a couple of them. One of them is you need to buy, for 16.5 feet, you need to buy 17 stick, or excuse me, for 16.5 sticks, you'll have to buy 17 sticks. You have to be careful when you're taking these exams to read the question and understand what they're asking you. In this case, they were asking you for how many sticks of pipe are required for the project. Not how many you had to buy or acquire or procure.
Yeah.
It was how many sticks are necessary. The correct answer is 16.5 sticks.
So
If you're assuming, because maybe you've worked in this industry a while and you know because you've assisted or worked in projects where we replaced a main, if you knew that it was going to take 17 sticks, that's going to be one of the choices. Alternatively, if the question was how many sticks of pipe are required to be purchased or must be purchased, then you know the correct answer is going to be 16 or 17 sticks. But you also know that 16.5 sticks is going to be one of the choices. So you have to understand the question. You have to understand what they're asking you for. It's important to read that, and one of the first questions you ask yourself is, what are they asking for? What's the unit of measure? What precisely are they trying to get from me? How many sticks of pipe are required for the project? 16.5. How many sticks do you have to buy?
17.
17. Guys, I appreciate your time. Thank you.